cook opo na may patatas and mushroom. Okay, so ginisang opo na may patatas at mushroom. Okay, so we need black pepper, soy sauce, or oyster sauce, and then since I have a leftover fried pork, so that's why I'm gonna cook the opo, ginisang opo na may patatas and mushroom. So cook na siya, nya dayon mushroom, the opo, potatoes, garlic, onions, and spring. So see the garlic. And then the onion. And then the spring onion. And now and then we're gonna add the upo. And then we'll be right back. Isang upo na may potatoes and mushroom. Okay, so we're gonna add the mushroom now. It's super yummy, guys. It's super yummy, guys. So I'm gonna garnish. Done. Our ginisang upo na may patatas at mushroom. Okay? So, I'm gonna garnish it. Okay. And now, I'm gonna taste it. I just want to taste the potatoes and the mushroom. Okay. Oh, perhaps ginisang upo na may patatas and mushroom. Okay? It's super yummy, guys. Okay, guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbruja, to my Instagram, d_bru_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching!